Greetings and salutations, Conrad Weiser. Today, we're going to take a look at Tripfinder, a new and more complete way to request a field trip for your students. First off, you're going to sign into the account. Once inside of Tripfinder, on the left-hand side, going to click on Data Grids and click Field Trips. When I do this, I have the option to look at a trip I have submitted or to submit a new request, and I am going to click Submit New Request. This window opens. I can make it a little bit larger by drawing this slider on the left. And then from here, I'd go ahead and fill out the information. Contact information, all of this is self-explanatory, but I do want to bring your attention to the things with the red dots. You have to choose your building. If you are assigned more than one building, you will have more than one choice here. If the department, when you click on department, gives you choices, and something is different, you just choose your building, or if you have a specific department that you're a part of. You'd fill in the various criteria. You'd put in your name, how many students you're looking to take, the number of adults. Fill in all of this information here, the number of buses, if there's a van required. Names of the chaperones would be listed here as well. And then I would go down into field trip details. Common destinations have already been filled in for you. Places that we go on a regular basis or that people have requested here. If where you're looking for is not listed, you just have to type in the information up at the top. Pickup location is where you expect to be picked up. If you know the door number, that would be helpful, but if not, dates and times, self-explanatory information here. What course or subject area this would be a part of, and all the information you can put in here. Where you're leaving from, the destination, city, street, state, all the information that's required here. Once you have this information filled in, there is other information that you can fill out here. Funding, when you click on this, how is your trip being funded? Whether it's from an activity account, it's already been budgeted, PTO. You just click on the one that you want, and then you push the arrow to move it over, and then you press save. Board approval, yes or no. Whether or not you require coverage. If you need a nurse. If you happen to know your budget code, you can put it here, but if not, that's okay. If you need an aid, and then here it will give you the cost per mile per vehicle, and then you're going to have to do some math to fill out the estimated total about what your trip will cost. Please know that once you go ahead and you save your trip, and if you click the nurse is needed, a nurse will be contacted through this form. If you do need coverage for your class, you must still file the information on Skyward and Frontline. And again, you have to do the math to self-calculate the estimated total for all. Once this process is submitted, it goes to your building secretaries, who will then go through the form, and then once they approve it, it will go to the building principal, and then it will get to transportation, and they will take care of the rest. You will be able to track the process of everything that you are doing here, and you can see the information. It gives you all of what you need to know, where you're going, when you want to go. All the information is here. If you have any questions about how you can use Tripfinder to create and request a field trip for your class or students, do not hesitate to reach out.